Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find a solution for the 8th question in exercise 7.7. Let's look at the first subdivision, integral of dx divided by root of 3x squared plus 6x plus 12. So first I'm going to take 3 outside this. So this will be modified as integral dx divided by root of 3 into x squared plus 2x plus 4. Now I'm going to take this 3 outside the root and outside the integral 2 because this will become 1 by root 3. So this will be 1 by root 3 integral of dx divided by root of x squared plus 2x plus 4. Now in order to make this a perfect square, I'm going to break this 4 as 1 plus 3. So let's do it. So this will be 1 by root 3 integral of dx divided by root of x square plus 2x plus 1 plus 3. Why this breakage? Because this is x plus 1 the whole squared. So let's modify that. So this is 1 by root 3 integral of dx divided by root of x plus 1 the whole squared plus 3. I can write this 3 as root 3 the whole squared. Now this is of the form dx divided by root of x square plus a square. So we are going to put it in the direct formula, which is going to be log of x plus root of x square plus a square plus c. So I already have a 1 by root 3. So let's post that too. So 1 by root 3 log of x in this case is x plus 1 plus root of x square plus a squared. So x square plus a square will be nothing but this particular expression. So this is x squared plus 2x plus 4 plus c. Now let's take up the second subdivision in this question. In subdivision, let's first start to break this in the square root. So dx divided by root of x squared minus 4x. Now remember, if a square is x square and minus 2ab, so minus 2 into x into b should be 2 in order to get the minus 4. So that means b squared will be plus 4. You have already a plus 1, so I'm adding a plus 4 and a minus 4. So now let's rearrange to make it a complete square. So this is dx divided by root of, now x square minus 4x plus 4 is nothing but x minus 2 the whole squared. So this is x minus 2 the whole squared. Now what is left over is plus 1 and minus 4, which is going to be equal to minus 3. Again, I can write this as minus root 3 the whole square. Now this is of the form x square minus a squared. So directly we can apply the formula, which is log of x plus root of x square minus a square. So in this case, x will become x minus 2 plus root of, after all the simplification, you will get only this. So I'm directly writing this. So x squared minus 4x plus 1 plus c. In the next video, we will find the solution for the 9th question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.